Hello everybody, Doug here, LS Car Customs. First things first, I think the votes are in, and our buddy here is going to be named Nomad. Say hi, Nomad. He's not as friendly as White Toes is. I mean, he's friendly, but he's not all up under me while I'm trying to do stuff like White Toes is. He usually finds a corner in the garage to lay down and relax. But let me show you what I'm up to here. I've got the rest of the jamb roughed in there. So we've got all the structure we need now. So I'll do like I did on the other side. What I like to do is over all the weld joints, I like to use like a short strand fiberglass. Just put a thin layer on the weld joints just to seal up any pinholes and make sure, you know, make it a little bit stronger. And then I'll block that off, and then we'll put a skim coat of filler on there. As far as the rust goes, I spray the rust down with a rust converter, and then an etching primer, and then I go from there. But I figured I'd let you know what I was up to there. So next thing we can do is tackle our section here that we want to tackle, and I'll bring you back when I got a little more work done. Missed everybody last night. I didn't get as much done as I had hoped, and I didn't think it would make for too interesting a visit, so I did a little more work, and we'll see how this one goes. I'll bring you back. Well, everybody, I've been plugging away. I mean, it's still a long ways from being something interesting to see. Just tweaking, bending, welding, grinding, cutting. But we're making progress on the thing, and that's the goal. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for being so kind. I mean, I get people in the comments who sometimes say, you know, never mind the haters and things like that. But, you know, knock on metal, I haven't really had any haters. I mean, I've gotten some strong advice sometimes, and like I keep saying, I welcome advice, because anything that's going to make this turn out better is what I want to hear. I'm glad everybody's enjoying it. I'm going to keep plugging away as long as I'm on this side of the dirt. But probably because of the Thanksgiving holiday, I'll probably take a couple of days off. You know, you won't see me. I'll probably still be tinkering in between eating turkey and stuffing. But I want to say heartfelt from my family to yours, have a happy Thanksgiving, and gobble till you wobble, and enjoy being with your family, and if you're traveling, safe travels. But before I go, I figured I'd show you something that maybe some of you would want to see, because it kind of gives you an idea that we're getting close, or that we're in the ballpark of what we want to do. So let me show you something here. Like I said, I test fitted the glass in there just to make sure our openings were going to work. I mean, they're just sitting in there now. They need new rubbers. These old rubbers are dried up and shrunken. but at least we know that our windows are going to fit in the gaps. And for the slider window, I need there's a channel that runs around and up and over, that the window slides in that channel. And I need to, so far I haven't been able to find a supplier for that channel, but hopefully I can find somebody that makes it. If you know of somebody, maybe you can suggest it in the comments. But it's just it's sort of like a felt channel that this slider window rides in when it slides back and forth, and then it locks in the front there. And this window is stationary. This one doesn't move, but this window here slides back towards where it starts to round, and then there's a stop that stops it. And I need to find one of them too, because mine were gone. But I figured everybody would get a kick out of seeing the windows in there. There's Nomad. He seems to be happy with his name, so I thank everybody for all the suggestions about, you know, giving him a name. It's nice to have something to call him instead of "Hey you." And once again, I want to say happy Thanksgiving, and I appreciate all your support, and we'll see you on the next one, hopefully. Take care, everybody.